This is kind of an outpost of the fire department here in Longwood, Florida. I was at a car show here, and there were the vehicles right there for observation. So I thought, well, I can't resist videoing fire equipment and see what the local fire departments have available for work here. And paramedics evidently use that truck on the left, and this pumper truck here on the right, and then there's another kind of vehicle they use to haul an ATV. So they're kind of prepared for most anything they'll come up against. Longwood is above Orlando, north of Orlando, and it's quite a nice town. And there's a sticker on one of these vehicles that refers to the 9/11 situation, and I think there must be some kind of connection between the Longwood Fire Department and helping out in New York, but I don't know that there's a sticker there. And there is a monument here in the park, which I will show you on Veterans Day, that memorializes the heroes and the victims. As you can see, Longwood keeps their fire equipment spick and span.